Alright, fam. So there's no Pokemon at this Walmart. This is the Walmart in Highlands Ranch, the bougie Walmart, huh? But we did get some magic. It's not quite Pokemon, but beggars can be choosy, huh? Welcome to my first ever magic opening. I have to return the sports card. The sports cards are like $35. I don't want to pay that much. This one's like 18, so all right. Ripping unboxing. Magic, huh? I got the magic stick. All right. Tell me if they're worth anything, huh? I am totally new to this collecting stuff. Oh, excuse me. All right, fam. Well, since we got 3 of them, we can stretch this out to 9 minutes, huh? Can stretch this out to 9 minutes. You know, YouTube only recommends videos that are longer than 9 minutes, huh? Add this to my collection portfolio. It's like a kid in a candy store, man. It's one of my favorite hobbies, yeah, like a kid in a candy store. Tell me if they're worth anything, alright? I am totally new. So, all the freaking scalpers, they're killing the Pokemon game. I don't camp out. I don't freaking punch people in line for Pokemon. It's unnecessary, guys. Speaking of unnecessary stuff, I was going to the Asian supermarket yesterday. Some dude walked by. He said, "Your hair looks gay." I'm like, so I turned around like, "What you say, fool? What you say? Come get some." Motherfucker walked away, huh? How the fuck you gonna fucking clown somebody in their fucking neighborhood, bro? I was at Asian supermarket. Dude just walked away. Yeah, walked by. He said, "Your hair is gay." I'm like, "What you say, fool?" He didn't want none of that. These fuckboys get checked really fast, huh? Once you step up to them, these fuckboys get checked really fast. But anyways, back to the unboxing. Back to the unboxing. Ooh. I don't know if they're worth anything. Ooh. All right, let's do the second pack, huh? Add this to my little portfolio. So I pay $18 for 3 packs. $3. Oh, good. YouTube payment just hits, huh? YouTube payments just hits. Good day, good day, good day. I guess this one's worth money. I don't know. It looks shiny. But the rest, I guess, are trash. I don't know. Got 2 left. Use some more thumbnail. So by the way, I bought this while doing a Walmart Spark shopping order. Got some SEO done as well. SEO, search engine optimization. Ripping unboxing. Yeah, this is my favorite hobby. I think it's way better than collecting sneakers or I don't know, some other stuff. But I know the scalpers are killing these freaking collection hobby though. Thumbs down for scalpers, huh? Thumbs down. I have to save the 3rd pack for the the rest, huh? Thumbs down for the freaking scalpers, huh? Ooh. I don't know if they're worth anything. I don't even know what magic is. The only comics I read when I was a kid was Batman and Robin in Vietnamese, and not Pokemon, Doraemon. All my Vietnamese know what Doraemon is, huh? Oh. Doraemon in Vietnamese, yeah. So when I was a little kid, I was like 6 or 7. I would ride my bike to the comic book rental, and I don't know. I don't know how much it is to rent a book. So yeah, I ride my bike there and rented a comic book and read it. And my go-to was Doraemon and Batman and Robin in Vietnamese. Yeah, lots of nostalgia. Huh? They say 90s is the best decade, huh? 90s, yeah. So I was born in 84, and most of my 90s I was a kid or a teenager. Yeah. They say 90s was the best decade. Kiss my butt if you don't agree. Kiss my butt if you don't agree. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? So I'm gonna stretch this out to 9 minutes. 9 minutes, huh? I think we can. So they don't have any Pokemon at this location thanks to the freaking scalpers. They have some WNBA as well. I don't know. Caitlyn she's brought the WNBA to a new level. Shout out to Caitlyn. Huh? All right, ready for the third one? Once again, I'm a freaking newbie, huh? Newbie when it comes to this collection game. This is the third one, fam. Third one. Rip that magic. Rip it. Ooh, all right. Shiny, shiny. Shiny, shiny. So one of these days, I might, if I ever have a chance to go to Tokyo, I would buy some Japanese Pokemon, huh? I saw a documentary on the Pokemon reselling game for Modern NBA. I highly recommend that channel, by the way. Modern NBA. Awesome video, bro. Modern NBA, huh? On the other hand, sneakerhead or sneaker culture is dying. Thanks to the freaking scalpers. Yeah, sneaker culture is dying, so all your Yeezy and Jordans, they're not worth that much. On the other hand, they're releasing too many retros. Yeah, Nike and Jordan kind of killed the supply. They flooded the market with new shoes or new retros, whatever. I got my first pair of Jordans when I was in 6th grade. First pair of Jordans when I was in 6th grade. That's when he first returned to the league, huh? It was Jordan 3s, I think, yeah. My first pair when I was in 6th grade. Anyways, thanks for watching all the way to the end, huh? I'll see you guys on the next video. See you guys on the next one. Add this to my little portfolio. Thank you for watching, fam. I'll see you guys on the next one.